Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, the 10-minute chicken curry. Now this is not for preparation time, this is cooking time. It is really simple, but I don't know how fast you cut your onions and such like, but yeah, it's really delicious and it takes no time at all. We're going to do this in under 10 minutes. Okay, let's take a look at what we have right here. Very simple. So chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Don't cut it too big because obviously we're trying to cook this nice and quickly. Onion and tomato, I've got roughly equal parts, so that's like one large onion. There's two decent sized tomatoes, again nice and small. Fresh cilantro or coriander. In here I've got my powders. Now if you wanted, you could be using a curry powder mix already. I've got 1 teaspoon turmeric, chilli, cumin and coriander. So if you're not going to do that, 4 teaspoons of a curry mix, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger, few chilies, up to you how many you put in, some salt, and here I've got some oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. Let's go. Okay, so we've got a mixing bowl, and as you can see, I've already got my chicken in, my onions and my tomatoes. Let's get some salt in the mix. Let's get those chilies in. Let's get that garlic ginger paste in there, 1 tablespoon. Let's get our powders in. Like I say, if you want, you could be using a curry powder. I'm using 4 separate powders. We're going to get our cilantro or coriander in, whatever you call that. And then we're going to get some oil in there. Now the oil's just going to kind of bring it together a little bit. Let me give that a mix. Okay, so here we go. We're going to try and do so. It's about 10 minutes. I've got some more oil in there. I'm going to drop in some cumin seeds. Let them just do their little thing for a few seconds. They'll infuse that oil. Don't skip this process. It's really worth doing. Okay, and in goes our lovely mixture. Look at that. In it all goes. So as you can hear, we're on a fairly lively heat. Let's go for 4 minutes, just like this. Keep it moving. Okay, so that's coming together really nicely. All we're going to do now is drop a little bit of water in there. The tomatoes are going to actually give us a bit of masala as they break down. So that's a tiny amount of water. We're going to get a lid on this. We're going to leave it for 5 minutes. It's going to be pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, out goes the steam. Look at that, fantastic. Perfectly cooked, check that for salt. Chicken curry in a hurry. It's going to take you longer to cook rice, I think. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.